In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add Shopify link to Instagram bio. So the process is really simple. Firstly, open the Shopify app in your mobile. Once you open it, tap on the three lines and then here we need to click on settings. Now scroll down here and you will find the option of domains. So once we tap on it, then we'll be able to see link of our Shopify. So we just need to copy this link. If you are unable to copy this link, then you can type it somewhere and then you can copy from there. So now what we need to do is go back to your home screen and open the Instagram app. Once you open it, then we need to tap on our profile icon from the bottom right corner and here we need to click on edit profile and under it we need to click on add link, and now from here we need to click on add external link and under URL we need to paste our link which we just copied from Shopify. Once you paste it, tap on the check mark from the top right corner and then it will start loading, and now we can go back to our Instagram profile and you can see the link has been added to my profile. So this was the process. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.